How to create Sephora account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Sephora is a multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands. Yes, people, I'm talking about Sephora and you might want to explore this app. Well, in that case, let's learn on how to create Sephora account. For that, you simply need to launch any web browser on your device, for example, Google Chrome. And then you need to open a new tab with the help of the plus button at top right. Tap the search bar and type in Sephora.com and click on enter on your keyboard. Now simply click on the profile icon at bottom on the mobile and top right on your desktop. And then click on create account button, enter the email address and click on continue button. Now, in this section, you simply need to enter your information like first, last name, enter the valid email address, create a strong password, enter your phone number, and enter your birth date and zip code for personalized offer, and then check mark, keep me sign in. If you do not want to enter your credentials again to log into your account next time, and then click on join now button. Now choose your acne or beauty preferences and then tap on the next button at bottom right corner of your screen. Then we have successfully created account on Sephora. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.